Aquamarine. It's gonna turn into a Chao.
This is part 2 of making Chao from Sonic out of Aquamarine. This is the general shape I'm going for today, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that. I went for more of a round top and a flat bottom, kind of like a cabochon. So similar to my Hello Kitty, everything is handmade. So please follow along to see the process and the journey of making my first Chao pendant. Last week I made this general shape of what I wanted it to look like. I use a different wheel, and this is just to get like the general rough off, which means I'm just removing as much stone as possible. But even after I'm done making the general shape of what I want, there's still so much that needs to be done. The eyes need to have space for the other stones to sit on top, so this is a stone and stone setting. And I know what you're thinking, Chao has a yellow part at top, so how am I going to achieve this? Well, I'm actually going to mark out the yellow part, and this is more stone I'm going to have to remove. But before we get a little too ahead of ourselves, I'm going to show you guys how I did from last week's stone to this week. So I gotta switch out the wheel. Since we're going for a more finer look, we got to remove more chunks. So basically every process of this video is just removing more and more until I get that shape. And at this point, after removing those chunks, he's kind of there but not really. This is too like angular for my liking, so I'm going to use another wheel to just round it out like a cabochon. So bring it to another wheel, and this is where it gets a little bit more fine. I'm just rounding out the sides and rounding out that little top part of his head, and this is how it came out. So cute. Now you can kind of see the Chao face, but still not there yet. He's really thick, and you can see how huge he is looking at the side profile over there. So I marked off where I have to take off, and I brought it to the sawed that right off, and again another chunk came off. Today is all about removing big chunks, and then we brought it to this lapping disc to smooth it all out. And check this out, it's nice and flat now, and it's round like a cab on top. Let me know what you guys think, and follow along to see more of this journey. Next week I hope to pick out the eyes. And if you made it this far into the video, I want to let you guys know that I did start a Discord where we can all talk about different gems in our project. I hope to chit chat with you guys there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!